Hi friends, just picture this. You hear your favorite song and suddenly colors start swirling in your mind like a personal light show, or you bite into a strawberry and instantly think of the number 7. Sounds like science fiction? Sounds impossible? Well, for some people that's just everyday life and it's called synesthesia. Synesthesia from the Greek words meaning together and perception is when two or more senses blend in unexpected ways. Synesthesia is a fascinating brain phenomenon where the senses get cross wired. In other words, stimulating one sense, like hearing, triggers an automatic experience in another, like seeing color. About 2 to 4% of people have it, but many don't even realize their experience is unusual. For a synesthete, music can have flavors, words can have textures, and days of the week can have personalities. There are over 60 documented types of synesthesia, but here are some favorites. Chromesthesia, sounds trigger colors. Imagine a car horn making you see a flash of orange. Grapheme color synesthesia, letters and numbers appear in fixed colors, so a J might always be green and a 95 always yellow. Lexical gustatory synesthesia, words have flavors. Saying the word apple could taste like cinnamon in your mouth. Number form synesthesia. Numbers appear as mental maps or shapes in space. Each person's version is unique, kind of like having your own sensory fingerprint. Scientists believe synesthesia happens because certain sensory regions in the brain are more connected or communicate more actively than in the average brain. This cross wiring means a signal meant for one sense spills over into another. And here's the kicker, it's not a disease, it's simply a different way of perceiving the world, often linked to creativity and memory superpowers. Famous creatives like Pharrell Williams, Billy Joel, and even Vincent van Gogh have reported synesthetic experiences. So, do you have synesthesia? Maybe you've always seen Wednesday as green, or felt that the number 9 is a little shy. If that rings a bell, your brain might be running its own private sensory remix. Drop your strangest sensory mix ups in the comments. And if you want more weird, wonderful brain facts, hit like, subscribe, and let's keep exploring the mind together.